2 videos to go in this lesson. The next one is that we're moving on in our identities. So we've covered our basic identities, our Pythagorean identities, and now we're moving on to our sum and difference identities. They're kind of weird, and we're going to do way more with them when we get to lesson 3, but I just wanted to teach you what you needed of them to be able to do the simplifying portion. So what we're going to look at is that if you have an identity where it's the sign of something adding or subtracting, or the cos of something adding or subtracting, or the tan of something adding or something subtracting, is that you can expand them out. Okay, we always want it to be sine x, not sine of x plus y or sine of u plus v. So they're kind of weird. So the sine sum and difference identities always go sine, cos, cosine. So for this one, it's going to be the sine of the first angle times the cos of the second angle, whatever's written in here. And then with the plus here, you're going to get a plus here, and then you write them in reverse. So since it went sine cos, now it goes cosine. So the cos of the first angle, sine of the second angle. So the sine difference identity will go sine first angle, cos second angle, minus, so the sign always matches, cos first angle, sine second angle. The cos identities are kind of weird. So instead of going sine, cos, cosine, they go cos, cos, sine, sine. And then you have to do opposite signs. So if it's an addition identity, you subtract. And if it's a subtraction identity, you add. So it goes cos first angle, cos second angle, minus sine first angle, sine a second angle, and then with the difference identity, so on. The tan ones are bizarre. So the tan of the u plus v would equal the tan of u plus the tan of v, and then over 1 minus the tan of u tan of v. They're kind of awful, and sometimes I'm even tempted. I didn't write it on here, but you could also say that the tan of u plus v is equal to the sine of u plus v over the cos of u plus v. So if you just don't want to deal with these identities they've given you, you can write them out as sine and cos, and sometimes that's helpful. So that might be a worthy thing to add onto your sheet. It's kind of belongs up in the quotient identities, but too much. Oh yeah, so maybe put it here. So tan of u plus v could equal the sine of u plus v over the cos of u plus v. Right? And same with the negative one as well. All right. What are we going to do with these? Well, first off, we're just going to practice writing them out. So we've got a cos addition identity, and then from it, we're going to take away a cos subtraction identity just to make it a simplifying skill. But really, I just want to practice writing out these sum and difference identities. So let's focus on this guy first. So this is a cos addition identity. When you're looking at your formula sheet, it's going to go cos, cos, sine, sine. My thing closed, one sec. There, I opened them up side by side so we can see them. So we're looking at the cos addition identity, so we're going to be looking at this guy. So the cos of u plus v is going to go cos u, cos v, switch your sign, sine u, sine v. So cos first angle alpha, cos second angle beta. It's a plus, so I'm going to make it a minus, and then I'm going to do the same thing with sine. So sine first angle, sine second angle. Then I'm going to put this minus sign here, and then I'm going to practice distributing or writing this as a sum or difference of terms. So for this one, again, cos identities go cos, cos, sine, sine. So it's going to go cos first angle, cos second angle. Now this is a difference identity, so I'm going to put a plus in the middle. I'm going to go sine first angle, sine second angle. Now I'm going to look if I can simplify. I'm going to distribute my minus sign through. So I'm going to have cos, I think that's an alpha. Yeah. Cos alpha, cos beta, minus sine alpha, sine beta, minus cos alpha, cos beta, minus sine alpha, sine beta, and then collect like terms. Cos alpha, cos beta minus cos alpha, cos beta is gone. Negative sine alpha, sine beta minus sine alpha, sine beta will give me negative 2 sine alpha, sine beta. Awesome. And that's all we can do with it. So why don't you pause the video and give this one a go. So sine first angle, cos second angle, match the sine, cos first angle, sine second angle. I'm going to add to this sine first angle, cos second angle, difference identity, put a difference, cos first angle, sine second angle. Then this one, nothing's going to happen to my sines. So I have sine x cos y plus sine x cos y. So I have 2 sine x cos y. And then I have a cos x sine y minus a cos x sine y, so that's gone. So that's as far as those ones are going to go. So there's not a ton of practice with these because we're going to use these a lot more later. We're just getting used to them now.